Yeah. Growing up, they told me follow your dreams. Now I got these A-list chicks all in my jeans. 5'8" and she only weighs 120. Skinny, but she's got an ass, the conundrum is funny. And you don't have to like me, just the balls to tell me when your girl needs D, then she calls a celly. Now they see me coming up, so when they all get jelly. Karate Kid, yeah, my sensei is Fonzarelli. That's 40. I come from the land of the hyphy. My club is all pros, like the brand of a white tee. Only $1 million in my hand will excite me, and I'm touring across the atlas, and I plan to go sightsee. I never talk back when you're trying to diss us, cause my response when we know you're lying is crickets. If I ain't poppin', please explain who's buying the tickets. And my deal's not a deal, it's like they're buying a business, yeah.
You could be anything in this world. You could be anything in this world. Mama said you could be anything in this world. You could be anything in this world.